Hello everyone, welcome to Simon Tools. Today Simon do some power tools, real power tools. That means power supplies. Here is the TX390s with 6 kVA generators. Report to me, no power output. The engine start and run and no power output. What I do, first thing first, take up the cover and get my voltmeter ready, setting on voltage, because I'm gonna start it up AC, right? We got the voltmeter on the AC power, and then we're gonna start up the engine and let it run. And we're gonna test the two main wire here, the brown and the blue. You can test here if you want, or you can test here, the output here, the power here. We test if it's come out to 240 volts. That means we got the power from the alternator here, come here, and you will test from here. If you don't have the power from here out, that means you have to check the capacitor. But if you're changing the capacitor and still no output, that means something wrong with your alternator. So first thing first, we're gonna start it up and check our voltage output on the alternator first before we go into here. They said no power output, so let's see. I pull it up and start it up, and we could see from there. Okay, he said the engine start flying. I don't know what I've been doing with this one, man. Oh my goodness. Okay, leave all the switches like that. No idea. Okay, turn on. Petrol. Okay, we got to fix the switch here. So happily, the outputs are 230 volts output from here. Don't get yourself get zapped. Okay, it's the very dangerous power output, so you know well, and you can do it. Voltmeter say 230 voltage output. That means from the alternator out, it tuck into this one, and it go into the big wire, and it go into here. And earlier you see me test the circuit breaker. That means they got power come out from the circuit breaker, and there is no power come out into here. What we do, put the cover on this one back into safety place, and we don't touch this one no more. This one all right, this one good. And then we gotta open up this box and try to find the wire. Try to find the wire from here, connect into here. So that's the only wire. They may be loose contact or disconnected somewhere, and you will know. So put the cover back on, and we go down the top end. So this end good. Later I have to repair the wheels for him as well. So just put the cover on this one first. Box, very simple. This one, take up the bracing plate, put here. You can put it back if you want, or you don't want to put it back, up to you. Just make it look nice, that's all. Waterproof. So I will open up this one and see connecting behind the 3-point power wire out input, and I'll be alright. Actually the alternator output and the machine will work very well, not wrong with it. Very powerful output and very powerful engines, sound like V8 supercars. Okay, very simple. Movement of grooves is here. Open up, you will see, you would check the power there. So look like this one's still alright, and then you can start up your engine again and test the power here to here, and you will find out either power go in there or not. If not, we go behind here again. Okay. Okay, take very long to turn up because the switch is broken. We got the jacks, but we don't have power from here to here. Now we have to undo this one as well. So we try to do lazy way first, and there is no other chance for me to go lazy way. Now we have to dig in further to find out the power no output. Someone been take it out and play with it too. I don't know who, but I'm not gonna say. Maybe me, bad idea. So check the power here. See, this is the loose here, so that's why no power. Someone been take it off or something, man. Ooh la la, what the kinky. So power there, might also loose. I would say because the vibration make all this wire came loose, that's why they don't have power out here. Or if you say someone play up and take it up and try to go home earlier, leave the job site earlier, it's not me, I don't know who, but it may be cause the vibration. Okay, don't think wrong for someone. Vibration, and the bolts and screw, it came up, so we better put it back by hand screw and all turn in, and it should be all right. So this side is good. We're gonna put this side back on, this one back on, and we concentrate on this side. Connect. The problem for someone who connect this one for the power is because the connection here is thin, and they only make one lay. So because the hole here is big, so this is too thin, and then push it in, it's not enough grip, so they came up. I leave it like this. What I do, this wire is very powerful. What I do, my stupid idiot easy way, okay, and it should last longer for them. They can't say forever, but last longer. Okay, so what I always do, what I always do, leave like this. Cut about 2 centimeters. That means 20 mils. And don't forget, we put this wire in for the indicator. We leave this one there. Okay, this is a 250 volt or 240 volt, all the same. They can be go any way. They are one direction power. So AC power. Okay, I fold them up like this, so make it thicker and bigger. And what I do, so I gonna come here, the power wire go this side, right? And this side, go over here, and I gonna slide one of these ones together. So I make double thick. I make double thickness first, and now I can roll the bolt in until I can feel my hand on here is super tight, and I'll be happy. You can see it's tighter and tighter. Too late. Okay, I got it there, baby. See, even try to pull very hard. Try to pull very hard, it would never come out. Okay, now we do the top one as well, the output wire again. This got 2 already, but still not big enough. And what I do, still take it up, and cut another 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter. Okay, and this one, active the earth one. Screw them on, baby. Roll you on. Okay. Wait. So okay, turn them on. What I do, roll this one in half again, like the other one. If you have another screw, the what I call the pliers would be good. But you know, I'm getting old and super lazy. What I do, so you turn this one in, so it's all the way on, and I can slide this one on wherever it is in here. Okay, that's how it wants. Push my hand down and turn them on. Okay, pull as hard as you could and cannot move it. So that means you have this one 100% secure, super tight and super strong, will last you longer, not forever. Again, okay, again down here, so only 1 turn. So what we do, cut another centimeter, and we fold them on double, and it will be thicker and it will last longer. Another one. Okay, what I do, turn it down, baby, turn you down, baby. Go on here, and it go on here, and it came up. I didn't take it up, not my fault. Okay, turn them out. Okay, turn them out, opening and open up, and slide you on, baby. Okay, slide on all the way. Put your hand underneath there and turn. I wish you can see better with my terrible accents, Australian Vietnamese. So I hope you understand with my terrible English. Okay, turn them on. Okay, turn them on, baby. So it's super hot. You can pull by hand. Okay, you can pull by hand, and it's super hot. So this one more last one before we go, and we are bingo. Okay, let's go. One more time. Same see, different smell. Okay, and now open up this one. Okay, this one, yeah, on. Come on, man. Come on, Ron. Come on, man. Okay, this one fall down. I don't like it. Bring them out. put them on properly. Slide this one come out, I don't like it. Put them back here, fold them back in, put them on until I'm happy. Okay, there will be no mess around with the wire coming out or sticking out. I don't like it. Push, pull up and turn hard as you could. Okay, I got it. Okay, I got it. Okay, we gotta put everything back together now. So we are 100% past this one. So we're going to put everything back together by slide this one on and push it on, and it should be lock it in, done. And it's on the group like this forever, never come up. Okay, so that's how it should be, and it's very strong and tight now. What I do, I put everything in. Okay. My feeling, man, my feeling. Okay, not overturn the plastic. Not very good. Okay, we are done. So we are test again. We are going to test again before we close the jobs. Okay, and I might have to buy some wheels and put on for them. And I'm very happy for let them take the tools tomorrow. But first thing first, have to be 100% test. Okay, leave it like that. And power on. Now we're gonna pull the engine, start the engine, and rock and roll. We see the voltage is coming up when I pull up the engine. Not a heavy job. I fixed the loose contact from the box, and all I have to do now is service, put new oil, push the new switch on up for this one. It's broken. That's why when you hear the rev up and down, when you have to hold my hand here to make the engine run constantly, so I can control the power to 234, 31, 32, 34 is good. So if like that, it's good. But the petrol is out, so the petrol is nearly gone. So what I do, I gonna get the new oil out. Get the oil out, put new oil in on this one. This one, look, the air filter still look good. No worry about the air filter. So replace the switch and fix the wheels. I have to go searching for some wheels, and I'm very happy for the power output now. It's good. Okay guys, thanks for watching Simon Tools. This is how basic you tried out what happened to the power generator supplies and no output. So that's how you do from beginning. Test the power output from the alternator, and then go to the box itself if the power comes from the alternator output. So that means you don't worry about the alternator. You go back with the box, okay? So that's how I do. Thanks for watching Simon Tools. See you next videos.